So here's how you can clone that repository from GitHub. You can choose to just click on clone a repository, or you can press on continue without code. Then in here you can click on extensions and say manage extensions. In the online section you can search here GitHub. Now I've already installed it. You have to install this one, GitHub extensions, GitHub actions. Yeah, then once you have installed that, you can come here and copy this link, or you can just press here on the code and copy this link. Then you click on file, clone repository, then you paste the link here, then you can press on clone.